How to find search history on Instagram Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find search history on Instagram Lite. First then open Instagram Lite and then click on your profile here in the bottom corner and then click the three lines and here we'll see settings. Click on it and then click security, and now here we'll find this one, last one, search history. Just click on it, and as you see here you can find your search history, and that's it. And that's how to find search history on Instagram Lite. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.